everyone, Mariah Monetize here. In today's video, I'm going to be going over the price of Bitcoin, checking in on the pricing, where things going, and then I'm also going to be sharing with you a really fun and free way to earn some free Satoshis. You should be waking up every single morning and asking yourself, how am I going to accumulate more Satoshis today? And the time is better than ever. I mean, Bitcoin could easily be over $100,000 right now. I think that we should actually be grateful that it is a reasonable price where you can actually accumulate one full and complete Bitcoin. So honestly, that's what makes me jump out of bed in the morning. I'm like, how can I accumulate more Satoshis today? So I'm going to be sharing with you a free and fun way. It's not just free, but it's also fun. So I want to apologize for the sound. I know it's going to be a little loud today. I had a hard time finding a quiet spot this morning. So let's go ahead and jump into the price here. Let's go ahead and back up to the 7-day chart. So let's see here. So Bitcoin is currently sitting at just under $39,000. And let's see here. The weekly chart is not looking very good. We have this 3 red candle trading below the red 2. A lot would have to happen in order for the weekly chart to switch in a bullish posture. So let's just go ahead and look at lower level time frame. This is the daily chart here, trending downwards, making lower lows. Buying Bitcoin at these prices, in my opinion, would be like catching a falling knife. If you're not familiar with capitulation, that basically means that we're going to see a very sharp dive in the price of Bitcoin before it continues to go higher. So I think that if we're just, I don't think the scenario is going to be that we just chill in this like $39,000, $40,000 range and then skyrocket. I think we need a capitulation. So it might be a $4,000, $5,000, a $10,000 drop in a single day, and that'll put us in the best position to clearly move upwards. But the daily chart, in my opinion, is not showing any bullish signs. So maybe like a few more days of a pullback, maybe a little bit of a relief. But be prepared for all scenarios. If you have loans out, be prepared for Bitcoin to go down to $20,000 or even lower. Okay, this right here is a 12-hour chart, which is also not looking that great. Made a lower low. I would love to see Bitcoin make a higher high on the 12-hour to start off a momentum shift and go above the high of this candle right here, which is $40,817. This right here is the 4-hour chart, also not looking good. Bitcoin failed to make a higher high. It made a lower high. It made a lower low back here. So 4-hour chart also looking not that great. This right here is the hourly chart, which is actually giving us a little bit of hope. But Bitcoin has not performed that well today, which I'm going to go ahead and assume that the traditional stock markets are down as well. So hourly chart looks okay, but we still need to make a higher high by the end of the day, and I feel like Bitcoin is probably just going to get dragged down with the rest of the stock market. So this is the 30-minute chart here, also not looking good. Does anything look good on these charts? 5-minute also looks bad. So everything looks bad across the board. Things are just not looking good. Where's like our next level of support? And once again, I really apologize for how loud this video is. Okay, so let's go ahead and see here. I mean, we might find, maybe capitulate down to like 32, 33,000. That would be best case scenario, in my opinion, capitulating down and hitting a bottom in that range. Maybe a double bottom here that matches up with the January 24th candle. That's always a possibility. Let's go ahead and check out traditional markets here. So, oh, you know what? SPY. Let's go ahead and take a look at the hourly on SPY here. The hourly, so SPY opened up strong, but then headed downwards after that first candle right there. A lot of range on that opening candle, and then down after that, and so Bitcoin has basically followed the lead here. Let's go ahead and zoom out on SPY to the daily chart here, which is also like catching a falling knife at this point. Nothing really looks that good. Let's go ahead and take a look at marijuana stocks, which, oh my goodness, wow. These marijuana stocks are in the tank. I think I started buying Tilray around $8 or $9, and I was like, it looked like a big shift, like momentum shift, but picking up Tilray and like it could definitely go a lot lower. The $2, $3 range could be a buying opportunity of a lifetime. But overall, marijuana stocks are just obviously not looking that great and are I mean, just when you think it can't get worse, I would say it gets worse. So, let's see, Tesla, not doing too good today at $829. And what's the low of the day? The low of the day is $821. And I wanted to also check out here, see what Twitter's up to. So Twitter is at $48.19. And obviously, you know, did well on the anticipation of the whole Elon Musk purchasing. But it'll be interesting to see how this plays out. So if you could only buy YouTube next, that would be awesome. See, this is a frustrating thing with YouTube. The frustrating thing is that I have to spend so much time deleting comments of spam so that people don't get money stolen from them. So YouTube just has so much room for improvement. It's just, for all the money that they have, I don't understand it at all. Okay, so I told you guys earlier about a free and fun way to earn Bitcoin. This is Fold. Fold, basically, you can download the app, and I have a link down below for Fold. And every day, or every 20 hours, you get to spin. You can see here, you get to spin the wheel, and there's all different things that you can earn. You can earn free Satoshis, but go ahead and check it out. And they also have the debit card, which I purchased, the more advanced version, basically. So I paid $150, and I basically earn at least 1% back in Satoshis on all my purchases. But then you also have the option to spin and earn more. So, for example, someone spent $48 and they spun and got 1 free Bitcoin. So that's always a possibility, of actually earning 1 full, complete Bitcoin just spinning after your purchases. So it's kind of like bringing the casino to you. So I hope you found this video valuable and helpful. That is all that I have for you today. As always, go out there and create a portfolio that you love.